Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your woodworking skills and create masterpieces you can be proud of? Then you're in the right place. Let me introduce you to the Skillet Academy Woodworking Masterclass. Imagine having access to 11 comprehensive courses taught by none other than Dr. Rich Murphy, a woodworking veteran with over 50 years of hands-on experience. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this masterclass is designed to elevate your skills to the next level. One of the best things about Skillet Academy, it's accessible, affordable, and incredibly comprehensive. For just $49, you get the entire bundle. That's right, 11 courses for the price of one. Think about all the techniques, projects, and insider tips you'll have at your fingertips. Dr. Rich Murphy, our lead instructor, is a true woodworking maestro. His diverse background and decades of experience bring a unique and valuable perspective to the table. You'll be learning from the best in the business, gaining insights that you won't find anywhere else. What sets Skillet Academy apart from the competition? It's all about the practical, hands-on approach. Our courses are designed to empower you to create stunning projects with your own hands, whether it's furniture, decor, or even custom pieces. Plus, the online, self-paced format means you can learn at your own convenience. No more rushing to meet deadlines. But don't just take my word for it. The Skillet Academy Woodworking Masterclass has a stellar 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Udemy, with over 200 rave reviews. Students are loving the depth and quality of the content, and the positive feedback keeps pouring in. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to join the Skillet Academy Woodworking Masterclass today. For just $49, you'll unlock a treasure trove of woodworking knowledge and start creating like never before. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn from a true expert and take your woodworking skills to new heights. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey and the joy of creating with your own hands. Join the Skillet Academy Woodworking Masterclass now and start your transformation today. Click the link below and let's get started. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.